Now let's take a look at a brainstorming and planning example. Let's think of some ideas, vocabulary, and a possible essay plan before you read and listen to your academic sources. Again, the question we are answering is, to what extent can improvements in car technologies lead to the elimination of road accidents in the future? As we saw on the previous page, the best way you can generate ideas and activate some of the vocabulary you know already when you are in the exam room is to ask yourself WH questions. What? In this case, what would refer to car technologies and road accidents? When could be answered with in the future or years ahead. Where, in our case, is on roads, so words like traffic will come in. How? Well, how in this case is a question of how technologies are being improved and how these improvements are impacting on road safety. And the question of whether these improvements will actually impact on the future of safety on the road. Why in our case? Well, always think, why is this an issue? Why is it important? Well, here, car ownership is becoming more widespread globally every year. This growth results in continual accidents in car and on the road. Compare the notes above to the brainstorming notes that you have made. If you noted similar ideas to those above, you probably have thought about the topic carefully and you are ready to listen and read your academic sources. If your notes are very different or incomplete, read through the model notes again to make sure you are on the right track before you proceed to the academic sources. Okay, now we're ready to move on to language brainstorming. In some key academic areas, you will need to answer the exam question in this practice book.